Unlock your vocabulary power. Enhancing descriptions with adjectives and adverbs. Hello learners. Welcome to another exciting episode on Grammar Fundamentals. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting topic: enhancing descriptions with appropriate adjectives and adverbs. Buckle up as we dive into the wonderful world of words that add color, depth, and precision to our sentences. Before we dive into enhancing our descriptions, let's quickly revisit what adjectives and adverbs are. Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, making our language more detailed. They usually describe nouns and give more information about things like size, shape, age, color, or material. For example, in the sentence, "She wore a beautiful red dress," beautiful and red are adjectives. Adverbs, on the other hand, modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They can tell us how, when, where, how often, or to what extent something is done. For instance, in the sentence, "He runs very quickly," very, and quickly are adverbs. Now, let's start enhancing our descriptions with adjectives. Remember, adjectives help us visualize what is being talked about. Instead of saying, "a car," why not say, "a gleaming, luxurious car"? Here, gleaming and luxurious add more flavor and provide a clear picture of the car. Try to use adjectives that are less common. Instead of nice, you can use exquisite, delightful, or appealing. This not only makes your sentence more interesting but also improves your vocabulary. Let's shift gears and focus on how we can use adverbs to create more detailed descriptions. Consider the sentence, "She sings." This sentence is correct, but it doesn't give us much detail. Now, let's add an adverb, "She sings beautifully." This gives us an idea of how she sings. Just like with adjectives, try to use less common adverbs. Instead of quickly, consider rapidly, swiftly, or promptly. This enriches your language and makes it more vivid. Now, as much as adjectives and adverbs are helpful, it's crucial to use them judiciously. Too many adjectives or adverbs can make your sentence unwieldy and confusing. Always remember, less is more. Well, that's all for today, folks. We've learned about how to enhance our descriptions with appropriate adjectives and adverbs. Remember, practice is key. So, try to apply these tips in your daily conversations and writing. You'll be surprised at how your communication skills improve. Keep practicing, and stay curious. Remember, the English language is a canvas, and you are the artist. Paint it colorfully with your words. Until next time, happy learning!